Hey guys, a bunch of people have talked about my recipe for marinating chicken for either a smoker, grill, or whatever, so I figured I'd do a little update real quick for you. So hold on. Hey guys, I constantly do this recipe. I use it on pork and I use it on chicken, but where I really like to do it is on chicken thighs. And the nice thing about this recipe is that you can cook these chicken thighs and you can use them, save them, freeze them, you can use them for anything you want. So if you later want to pull them out, you can chop them up for a stir fry. We like to put them in wraps. You can use them on salads, do anything you want, but this is sort of the base chicken that I like to use. Now I always use chicken thighs, and if you ever go to a Chinese food restaurant, you know what meat they're using? They're using chicken thighs because it stays tender so much longer. You put a breast in something and it just dries out. So I'm not talking health concerns, I'm talking taste concerns. I just love chicken thighs. So let me show you this recipe real quick. So I just ran to Walmart. I picked up, you get anywhere, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You get a big old pack of them for $8.64. You can get them on sale too. But I bought 2 big packs of these. I take a huge bowl, and this is what I marinate them in. But let me show you the marinade I use. It's not anything exact, but I take apple cider vinegar. And I put in about, 3 or 4 cups of apple cider vinegar. The next thing I do is I add a whole bottle of teriyaki marinade. This is the honey terry masterpiece, honey teriyaki marinade. I put in, let's say maybe a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And then I put in about a 1/2 cup of this, which are the chilies, the sambal chilies. And this is what it is, and you can get this you can get it anywhere off the shelf, but it's usually in the Asian food section. And I put about a 1/2 cup of that, and that's what gives you a little bit of heat to it. So you got some sweetness, you got some tartness to it, and you got some heat. All those and a little bit of saltiness. So all those flavors involved make a wonderful, wonderful marinade. Now, I just put it in a big old bowl if you want to triple bag it. But I want to let this rest. I want this to marinate for 24 hours. I'll probably actually just under 24 because tomorrow morning I'm going to stick it in the smoker. So normally what I would do is I would just take these out, throw them on a grill, and grill them up. I love them. You get a little bit of char on the outside. I'm kind of thinking about playing with my smoker. So I may throw them on the smoker, and I may shoot a little video and show you what they come out like. So we'll see. Okay, day 2. Now it's 24 hours later, roughly. Oh, be quiet. Now, let me make one point clear. Normally, I grill these things, and they're phenomenal. If you've ever had the chance to experience like Japanese chicken on a stick, it's just amazing. It really is, and that's what this comes out tasting like. It's just amazing. I'm going to do something different, and I'm going to try it and see how it comes out. I'm going to smoke them. Now, here's the problem. If you're going to use a smoker, wood with chicken, especially when I'm down to the thighs, we're going to get real smoky tasting. So I didn't clean my smoker out, the bottom tray, the last time I smoked something. So what I'm doing is I'm heating that up to kill all the bacteria in there, but it's going to have that smoker taste to it, if that makes sense. So there's a lot of crap in there anyways that's already, I can look out the window and I can see it, and there's a lot of smoke coming out of it, and I don't have any wood in it. But let me show you how I'm prepping the chicken. Okay, so the chicken marinated a full day. It smells delicious, by the way. And all I'm doing is I'm taking whatever rub I want. Now, I just grabbed anything I had. Normally, I would take like a honey garlic or something. I've got smoky brown sugar. I'm going to take a little smoky brown sugar. And all I'm doing is I'm taking each one of these into this pan, just touch it, and put it on here. Now, these are my normal racks, and then what I have is this, what are they, silicone? They're silicone little mesh liners that you can get. It just makes it a lot easier when you're working with something that's a loose meat like a chicken. You can see that I've left it all dirty and crusty down here, and I'm using the flavor from the last smoke for this instead of adding chips, because this will get way too smoky. So my last smoke that I did, you can see that there's all kinds of drippings inside the pan down here. Now I'm leaving that, and what it's doing is it's causing a burn off, and you're getting a lot of that good crusty taste in there. And there's the chicken inside there. It's ready to go, ready to smoke. I'm gonna start it at 275, leave it, and I'll check it and see if I need to adjust it. All right, so they've been in there, I'm eating an apple. So they've been in there an hour and 15 minutes, and I actually forgot about them. So it was inside working. So let me open them up. I haven't looked at them. Let's see what they look like. Step back, ready? Oh. A lot of heat going on there. Oh man, they look good. And usually the right side, because my burner is right here, usually the right side is actually going to be done more quicker. So I want to check the edges, and I'm not dried out on the edges. So I'm going to leave them a little bit longer. Again, I think it's going to be maybe 2 hours. Okay, we're back live. 2 hours and 15 minutes. Let's open her up and see what's going on. Not much steam coming out, which usually means they're done. Ooh, oh my goodness, they look good. Look at those babies. Oh my goodness. Let me pull them out. Alright, so I ran back inside and get the video camera because 2 quick points. Again, remember, normally I throw these on the grill, on very, very high grill, and they sort of charm and they get a crispy outside and real juicy, and they're just delicious. They're amazing. But they come off real easy with these. I love these little, I don't know what you call them. I forget the name of them. Silicone mats. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen for you. Alright, so tell me that doesn't look amazing right there. That looks gorgeous. That simply looks gorgeous. I'm going to steal me a piece. Okay, we only use the world's finest paper china here. I wanted to show you real quick. Now, I like mine a little bit drier, so I did about 2 hours, just over 2. I think you should stop at about 1 minute, 1 hour and 30 minutes on a smoker. And on a grill, just cook them till they're done. A grill only takes about 15-20 minutes to cook these. That's actually the way I prefer them, is on a grill. But on a smoker, it came out good too. But actually, I prefer the grill method to the smoke method. The marinade by itself, I just use the marinade by itself and then put them on the grill if you're going to grill it. I wanted to do an experiment with the smoker and put some dry rub on them, and they have a zing to them. They definitely have a lot of flavor to them. They're good, but again, I think an hour and 30 minutes on the smoker would be the best. They're still delicious. I did 2:15. Hey guys, so try this recipe. I think you'll like it. The other thing is make sure you go to the website, howtowithdoc.com, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the detailed recipe and any updates that I have on that website. That's something I can do with all my videos, is actually put updates on the videos so they don't become irrelevant. Isn't that kind of nice? Anyways, share the video, like the video, hate the video, doesn't matter. See those like buttons? Click one. Like, hate, I don't care. Click one of them. Talk to you later. Dad.